side. No.
Don't go now.
Good afternoon. We came to visit one of our sites, and I know you're very familiar with this place. We've been here severally. It was our belief that by this time much progress would have been recorded here, so I came to see myself with the PAMSEC of the Minister of Special Projects. Say this: I feel highly disappointed. I'm disappointed with the level of performance of this contractor, RAFOR. This project was awarded about June in the year 2020 by my predecessor. My predecessor managed. When I came in, I even went as far as giving them 2 times variation to enable them achieve a good proportion of this job. But to my greatest surprise and shock, there is no time you sit with them, discuss with them, that you come out with anything. I'm here to say that I was briefed in the handover note that this particular project, while the military administration was on, evaluated it and cancelled it. I think I do not have any option. If they don't convince me that they can complete this job in the next 1 month, I will stick to that position of the administrator as at when the emergency rule was on in River State. Honestly speaking, and another part of my discovery today is, how could a normal human being be dredging very close to a bridge? Is it proper? If I destroy the dredger now, they'll say, Fubara is a very wicked man. Maybe he's coming because maybe, I don't even know who owns the dredger. Maybe if it happens that it's maybe someone from another political party, they say, I'm doing it because of wickedness. But this is a last warning. If I come here any other time or get any information that dredging activity is being conducted around this area, moreover, close to this bridge, I will personally supervise and destroy the dredger myself.